Okay, map 15 na tayo. So, ito, pansin nyo, meron na siyang label. And ang ating tips, merge boundary daw. So, need nating ayusin yung boundary. So, paano natin malaman yung mga error ng boundary natin? Control T. Ayan. So, lumabas lahat ng boundary error natin. Need lang natin to i-fix. First, misfill area daw. So, this is grass. Hanap natin yung grass. Select natin yung grass. Select. Then, second error is yan, boundary error. So, naka-label siya as short driveway while itong ating neighbor is long driveway. So, kailangan lang natin siyang i-label same sa label ni neighbor. Select, then hanapin ang ating long driveway. Long driveway, while this one, sidewalk si neighbor, so gawin din natin siyang sidewalk. Oops, sidewalk. So, meron tayong maliit na naiwan. Ito may maliit. So, this is long driveway. Merge na lang natin para may iwasan ng kickback. The next, grass daw siya, grass. So, ito, need lang natin i-fix to. Then, control T. Kinat ko lang siya, then dito rin, kakat ko. Cutting tool, cut ko yan. Then ito, yung dalawa is i-merge ko. Then itong dalawa rin, sidewalking grass is i-merge ko. V, yan. Ganun lang siya, cut, din natin din mag-drag para maiwasan din yung kickback. Here, ito. Ito, naka-road si neighbor natin. So, change din natin siya into road. Same with this one, change into road. So, next, ito, naka-parking neighbor. So, need natin siyang change into parking. Hanapin natin si parking. Yan. So, next na error, pavement, okay na, naayos natin kanina. Sidewalk, naayos na natin kanina. And this one also, cut lang from here. Para hindi balik ko yung ating pag-cut. Ito tayo sa mismong corner niya. Cut, then i-merge itong dalawa. V lang. Ayan. So, ayos na. As category is okay na rin na fix na. So, next step is Control T ulit. See? That's easy. Ganun lang siya kadali gawin. Need lang natin sumabay kay neighbor. Then, okay na to. Control A to submit.